Today we are releasing balloons in Nick's honor. If someone would have told me in October when I saw him last that in a few short months that he would no longer be with us, I would have told you that you were crazy. I spoke to Nick the Sunday before he passed and nothing seemed to be out of the ordinary. I got the call from my dad in the wee hours of December 4th as I was sitting in the hospital room with my oldest daughter. The minute my phone rang, I knew something was not okay. After I hung up, I woke my daughter up to tell her that I had to go, and I loved her so much. Little did I know, she heard the whole conversation. As I walked out of the hospital that morning, I was faced with so many emotions. I knew Nick faced trials and tribulations with drug usage, and it was something that was not new to us. However, it was never going to be Nick. Nick was an amazing person with a smile that could light up any darkened room. He was a lover, not a hater. He avoided conflict, trying to keep peace. He always tried to see the positive in everyone, in every situation, no matter the wrongdoings. He was a brother, a son, and an uncle. Most of all, he was a friend. After a few conversations with the LA coroner to figure everything out, I was boarding a plane to head to California to take care of unthinkable tasks with our dad. Not one bit of the last few months have been easy, not for any one of us. One thing that we will always have is the memories. Even though they don't replace him, not at all. We are gathered here despite any past issues that we may have had because we all shared one thing in common, and that's a bond with my brother, with Nick. And for that, I will say I love you, and I miss you, brother. And thank you for the very nice weather you gave us today.
So, me and my mom, Susan, are walking up the A Mountain to pay respects to my good friend Nick Weaver. I made a little collage, if you guys can see it. And, oh, this is hard. It's already 90 degrees in Arizona. And that's my mom. Say hi.
Hi. God bless you, Nick. Rest in peace. We love you.
Okay.
His soul. And may he rest in peace.
Oh. Bye, Nick. Love you.
Bye, Nick.
We miss you.
We miss you a lot. Not one day has been the same since you left.